I'm showing you today how to steam iron your clothes and also to freshen them with steam. This garment doesn't really need pressing, but it could use a little bit of freshening. And so we're just going to wake up the nap of the sweater and make it smell nice and fresh with this steam. It wakes the nap right up. You can also use different attachments on your steam iron with brushes and things that will brush the nap. If you've worn this and you have a little bit of perfume smell around here or any kind of musty odors from being in a closet, this will take it right away. You've seen what we can do with this material. And now if you'll watch our next video clip, we're going to show you a different material completely.